wonder what to post next? Discover the secret to endless content ideas through the power of keyword research. Today, we'll walk you step by step from uncertainty to clarity using 4 essential techniques that transform simple questions into compelling topics. First, start with your audience's questions. Simply type a keyword into Google or YouTube and watch the autocomplete suggestions flow in. These real questions pinpoint exactly what your audience cares about. This initial spark guides you to the topics they are searching for and lays the foundation for your creative journey. Second, harness the power of free tools such as Google Trends, AnswerThePublic, and KeywordTool. These tools reveal genuine search data and uncover trending interests. They provide insights into how people interact with content and help you identify emerging patterns and demands. With these resources at hand, you gain an edge in understanding what captures attention online. Third, shift your focus to competitor analysis. Look at the content that is already performing well. Which videos or blog posts are receiving high engagement? This investigation exposes proven demand and hidden gaps in the market, offering inspiration for your own creations. Fourth, pick your keywords wisely. Aim for those with moderate search volume and low competition. They are the sweet spot that allows you to rank faster and build momentum. Transform these keywords into engaging topics. For instance, convert content calendar into how to build a beginner-friendly content calendar to attract an eager audience. In summary, ask insightful questions, leverage free data tools, study your competitors, and select the perfect keywords. This systematic approach turns everyday queries into powerful content strategies. Subscribe for more content hacks and let our AI-powered media surge do the heavy lifting. Embrace the journey, create with confidence, and watch your ideas flourish. Empower your creativity today and transform your content strategy into a thriving success story now.